When a lot of people come across a Sacagawea coin, they think they have a $1 coin that's worth a lot more money than just $1. Now, that can be the case sometimes, just like we're going to go over in this video, some Sacagawea coins that sold for a lot of money, but most of the time, these coins are not worth that much money. I'm going to show you exactly what you should be looking for on your Sacagawea coin so you don't accidentally spend it and so you can determine if your coin is actually rare or not. Now, there's a common misconception with these coins, and that is the fact that they're called sometimes the golden dollar because of its color, even though it contains no actual gold. These coins were created to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar in everyday use, though like many modern coins, it never saw heavy circulation. Circulation just means out in pocket change, essentially. The US wanted a dollar coin that would be easier to distinguish from a quarter than a Susan B. Anthony dollar, which many people found confusing because of its similar color. The Sacagawea dollar was designed to have a more distinctive golden appearance, feature a new historical figure, and encourage wider public use of dollar coins. Now that we got some of the history out of the way, I'm going to hop into the video now. Just so you know, this is episode 2 of Before You Spend It. Let's go right now, guys, with this 2012 Native American Sacagawea dollar coin. Now, I'm glad that we put this one first because it's actually something that you don't see too often, but this would be a good example of a coin that you find in a collection. I think the reverse or the back of this coin is absolutely stunning with the side profile of the horse and the chief Indian there. This is just such an amazing coin, and it did get the 70 grade and it sold for $109. Now, something a bit more up your alley that you could possibly find is this coin right here. So PCGS graded this coin at a mint state 67. This is a 2000 Philadelphia issued coin. You can see that by that P mint mark below the date there. You can also tell that this coin has a bit of toning. Now, toning is an oxidation process that will happen based upon how you store your coin. The air is going to react with the metal composition, causing a discolored look. You can see a bit of rainbowing happening. That can be a good thing for a coin. This one did get the 67 grade and it sold for $216. Now, one of my favorite coins to tell people about is this coin right here. It has a really small detail that not many people know to look for. The big thing is going to come down to the eagle on the back. This is what we call a wounded eagle coin. Now, when the coin was being produced, essentially there was just an issue on the minting hub causing this mistake to happen. It looks like there is a stick or an arrow or some sort of object going through the eagle, hence the name Wounded Eagle Coin. That is the nickname for this specific Sacagawea dollar coin, and someone was able to sell this coin for $384 on heritage auctions. 2001 Philadelphia issued Sacagawea dollar coin PCGS graded it at a mint state 69. Getting that high of a grade is very, very challenging. I do not want to get your hopes up when it comes to finding a coin of that caliber. It is really, really challenging, but this one did achieve that score of the 69 and it was able to sell for $660. All right, $2,160 for this coin. And keep in mind, these coins have a metal composition of 77% copper. There's no gold, 12% zinc, 7% manganese, and 4% nickel. They weigh 8.1 grams. If your coin does not weigh around that weight, then you have a coin that could be worth a lot of money being struck on the wrong planchet. This one just got a very high grade by NGC and it sold for $2,160. Now, if you want to sell one of these coins, this is our recommendation. Go to at least 3 different coin shops. If they all tell you that your coin is not rare, it's not valuable, then they're more than likely telling you the truth. Now, it's good to get multiple opinions. Just please never bring your coin to a pawn shop because they will most definitely take advantage of you. Be very careful, do your own homework, do your own research, but understand the likelihood of you having a rare coin is slim to none. But in the cases like in this video, there are coins out there that are worth a lot of money. We do hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We actually made a printable Sacagawea cheat sheet down below. You can get that absolutely free. You can save that to your computer. You can print it out. Just go ahead and get that down below, guys. And we will see you guys in the next video.